OpenCovidScreen is a nonprofit founded by key scientific and business leaders in the biotech and diagnostics industry with a specific goal of solving the critical unmet need in surveillance and screening testing for return to work, return to school, and hotspot protection programs.
OpenCovidScreen is partnering with XPRIZE to hold a competition.
The aim is to drive needed innovation in testing. Overall, it's a $10 million program with a multi-million-dollar prize purse and the balance for pilots and scale-up.
We created a $50 million COVID Apollo Fund, being led by some of the world's leading life science investors and company builders. They're collaborating with the OpenCovidScreen XPRIZE community to accelerate the best inventions, the best technologies, and driving them to the marketplace as fast as we can.
The next chapter of managing under COVID-19 requires surveillance screening testing that is FFCE. Frequent to match the kinetics of the virus, at least weekly or more often. Fast turnaround time, ideally point of care or at least next morning results. Cheap. Less than the cost of a latte per result, about $5 cost of goods. Easy, self-collection with either saliva or anterior nares or oral swab. If you want schools and businesses to stay open, you need a test-enabled test, trace, isolate program that works. In the competition, we anticipate hundreds of teams from around the world.
Anyone can apply. Companies, academic labs, and do-it-yourselfers are all encouraged to apply. From the applicant pool, we'll choose 200 semi-finalists.
And we will send them blinded kits for validation, and they will run their tests.
Based on those results, plus how fast, easy, and simple it is, we'll decide on a set of 20 finalists.
To translate their work into the clinic and help them accelerate their approval through the FDA process. Finally, we'll choose the top 5 as winners to help split the prize pool and translate their assays into widespread testing that's available to the general public.
We need solutions that are distributed, empowered, and resilient.
Back to school is a key part of the OpenCovidScreen XPRIZE to catch occurrences before they become outbreaks and to keep our students, faculty, and teachers safe.
Feel free to join.
Apply online, and we'll take it from there.